And what we're going to discuss today is, of course, a very frothy topic, especially with the FIFA World Cup on, and the sort of weather that we are seeing, the hot summer climes, is perfect for the sort of thing that we're discussing. And that, of course, is the most widely consumed alcoholic beverage in the world. Yes, we're talking about beer and the prospects of beer in India. We put together this report.
Has sort of taken a position now as a drink which is pretty much becoming all weather, yeah. But of course, in summer times, it sort of increases quite significantly, and then events like FIFA, football, and beer are sort of seen as something which go hand in hand. That's really helping a lot. Yeah. But I think it's fantastic to have this weather. It's fantastic to see beer selling such a lot now. It's great. Yeah.
These days, to be very honest, I believe that it is seen somewhere between the hard drinks and soft drinks. So it's somewhere out there.
Culture is slowly changing. It's all because of probably the modern culture, the imported beers, or the culture has drastically changed with the time.
The world of beer has changed in India, and it has changed forever. Secondly, with the options available, today's youth is ready to experiment. You are getting all the top brands available at your doorstep or near your neighborhood.
So I mean, today, as I said, social values have changed. So I think you have younger people. A lot more. India is a young country, and the youth normally prefer beer. Third, we've also got women who are now becoming more and more easy about drinking beer. Fourth, you've got a whole host of international brands that have come in, and it's pretty much the way of the world there. India, for a country with a per capita parity income of $4,000, an average a price of a bottle of beer is $1. And if you were to look at that versus Europe, which is about $40,000, a price of a bottle of beer is 50 cents in retail.
Wow.
So I mean so if you look at a bottle of beer, a bottle of Coke, or a bottle of water is exactly the same price. Yeah. If you were to sort of go to a kiosk in Europe, yeah. And that's pretty much what you would see, and that's the reason why you've got such high per capita consumptions.
Historically, beer has been recorded as the oldest drink in the human civilization. That was recorded in the beer jars which were found in the ancient Babylonian civilization in the city called Ur. So across the world, beer in local culture has always been part of the human history. Right from Far East to the Middle East, to Europe, to the Incas and the Aztecs in Americas. So beer is nothing new. It is just that for a time in between, the drink lost its fizz.